Finesse, if I broke, now my business, yeah.
So this is who you are listening to. So now I know you just killed it on the stage. And so I saw you jumped out there with the people. You danced with the people. You called the girl. Listen, you are indeed the entertainer. Now, how was that being in the midst of Haitians and performing for our Haitian culture, especially after what went down yesterday, losing one of our very own?
It was amazing, man. And yeah, it was good energy, it was good vibes. Man, rest in peace to Mika, man. Like, because we were supposed to work on music, actually. Like, we were talking about getting into the studio and making some music, and it's just crazy, man. Shout out to all the Asians out there. You know, I feel for you, and you know, big love to everybody, man. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, are we gonna see you next time in another performance? You know, next festivals, we're gonna keep seeing you because you love the Haitian people, right?
Yeah, you're gonna keep seeing me for sure. There's amazing music